Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Almira. Today I'm gonna do a flip through this little nature themed junk journal. Measurements are 5.5 by 4.5 inches, 13.5 by 11.5 centimeters. It is one signature, 42 pages. It is 84 in total, both sided. This look like front cover. It's layering with lace, with button, with ruffle and beautiful flower. This is one signature and this is back cover. Some embellishing, and here we have beads and ribbon in this, and opens from button and just pull off. Let's go inside. Inside we have back pocket with just sewed all around. Journaling spot. Paper are eco and coffee dyed. Here's ruffle, 2 pockets with some dangle here. Here's another one pocket with tag, journaling card, whatever you call, beautiful green paper, nature imagine, just a little embellishing here, it opens, and journaling spot from other side. Let me see. Ribbon on this paper clip. Let me see. This is decoupaged on, I don't know how you call this paper. Here's tuck spot with just tiny tag inside this. And here is another nature paper, and it's open, beautiful eco dyed paper with some texture. Here's back booklet with tangle inside, just embellishing. Here's another pocket embellished, nature imagine and some tag. Here's button. I don't know, can you see this? Eco dyed paper, book page, another beautiful eco dyed paper with some texture, another one pocket, some sewing all around. There's a lot of place for writing. Here is middle, and here is several beads in each string hanging down. Nature image, another one pocket with some tag. Here's another one, small writing space. Here's pocket with tag inside. Actually it is envelope, made from envelope. Here's sewing all around, embellishing here, eco dyed paper, pocket with embellishing and space for writing. Lot of sewing here. Small embellishing, another one bag with tag inside, eco-dyed paper. It is 2 pockets. Here is beautiful nature imagine, and here is just one tag. Decoupaging, and here is some embellishing on this imagine from nature. And here is another pocket with lace and little flower, and it is booklet inside. Pocket for writing, tag, and this is back cover. Here is a tag, and here is envelope with some goodies inside. It's just nature imagine or pictures, and this beautiful dangle here. This is closure just on these If you like this journal, you can find it in my Etsy shop, and it's in description down below. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.